Hey guys, welcome back to her channel. We met after 2.5 years, I guess.
This is Adi Jain, by the way.
I'm Adi Jain, by the way. I'm a student of humanities. I've passed 12th, like both of us did, unfortunately. So I moved to Jodhpur and I came back again after the stipulated time. So I came back, but we didn't feel that we were not connected or there was some gap of communication or
Because
any.
I kept calling him.
Because we kept calling each other, but nonetheless it feels good to be back. Like it's a sheer blessing, I would say.
Ah,
Too many big words. Moving on, so we decided to do something productive.
creative.
Best friends. So we thought, why not we react to the best moments of our favorite TV series, and that is,
One of my favorite things.
let's just continue with that, and that is TVD, The Vampire Diaries. I love it very much. Like I hell love it. I watched it over 2 times, and I guess I started the series when I was in 9th class. And you?
9, 10. Although I now feel that it is overrated and overhyped by
Yeah.
cool kids of Instagram. All offense meant.
Really. They are making Indian Bollywood version of Damon and Elena. I was like, why? Like,
They have sort of ruined it for me, although I
Yeah.
still love the characters. And all
Yeah,
that,
the
but
story
I-
is very good. Like, very good.
But not the same for me anymore, thanks to Instagram.
So before revisiting our favorite moments, let's just talk about how we feel about TVD. So I'll start. The story was nice. It went on a good start. It roofed the charts like anything. I haven't seen any series, American series like this. But there came a down point when the originals were removed, when Elena went into deep sleep, or when some hunter was chasing down Stefan and it was switching between the future and the past and the present. It was like very hectic and I seriously didn't like it.
Yes, for me also the show was great till 5th season. It was absolutely a drag for me during the 6th, 7th and 8th season. And like it was evident that the show is not working out, so the creators and writers are just putting in anything with those sirens and that what were those psychics and introducing all these new characters and unnecessary storylines.
Yeah.
So even like if you are thinking of watching it, I'd probably recommend you to watch it till the 5th season at least. And if you want,
No,
you
but
can leave it.
I guess
after.
even though it was great till the 5th season and it dragged on a bit, but the ending was nice. I cried for like 2 hours. I'm a
also
bit
cried.
emotional guy, but still, I cried for 2 hours. And seriously, you should watch it, guys. We started it in our teenage, and it's a teenage show. I don't
Yeah,
think
with romantic thriller
Yeah.
involving fictional characters.
alpha males coming up
Yeah.
protecting their so-called love of their life. And yeah, it's a good show. You should watch it. Definitely, you should watch it.
I'll begin with what I think of the show as a whole. I think that the show was going amazingly great till 5th season, but I did not really like the show after the originals were removed and Alina left the show. It
Deep
was
sleep.
Deep sleep, yes. Or Ian's and Nina's breakup, or whatever. We'll just call it deep sleep. Few of my favorite ships from the show are obviously first of all Delina, then Caroline. I seriously think that Klaus and Caroline should have been together. Caroline was also nice, but their ending was so horrible. I mean, Stefan does suicide the day he gets married. And Baki to I feel was totally unnecessary. A lot of
So
unnecessary.
leaving
bonding and-
aside the cringy stuff. Firstly, I like the relationship or the bond or the brotherhood between Alaric and Damon. Hands down, it was one of the best brotherhood, friendship, enmity. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it was one of the best. And the second best or eternal best, I would say, that's Matt relationship with TVD.
Yes, I mean, imagine hybrids, immortal people dying in the show, but Matt surviving. Matt as a human surviving till the end.
I think everyone should learn from Matt how to survive. You don't have to take the cure, you don't have to take the vampire blood, anything. You don't have to do anything.
Just cling around people. Now we are going to put in some clips of our favorite scenes. There are obviously a lot of iconic scenes in the show, but these are probably the ones these are not too cliche. One of them is, but still, these are are like very.
We mutually like all of these scenes very much.
Yes.
Damon. Hello, brother.
I still remember watching this scene for the first time because I, for one, did not honestly expect Damon to enter at that time. I knew like there were few vampires, but it was really amazing. And obviously, when you see Damon's first face at the first time, you just go, "Oh my God! How can a person be this hot?"
And look at Ian now, and when the season ends, like drastic difference.
Yes.
So much of
And I
difference.
was like, obviously the show creators implied in the first episode itself that he's some evil character.
Yeah,
because
the
of,
alpha male sort of a thing he
yes,
was.
crows and evil music playing or
Huh.
whatever. And Stefan's reaction was obviously not nice when he saw his brother, but still, this was like okay.
One of the most kick-ass entries.
Yes, and I decided that I absolutely love this villain.
Seriously.
Seriously. Just give up already.
So talented.
Wasn't expected of Klaus.
This was probably the first moment where you see this side of Klaus.
I know. And the way he shows his love for Caroline, I haven't seen for anyone in the entire series, and even the originals, I guess.
Yes, even that, what was her name, Cammy or whatever. I did not like her, but Klaus and Caroline were really amazing, and the show could have put them together. I mean, in this scene, you just see
Yeah,
Klaus
even
has-
though I don't support Klaus and Caroline, I don't ship them. I am more into Stefan and Caroline, but yeah, they do look good together.
Yes, and Klaus seems like such a gallant, knightly, chivalrous
Only around
guy.
Caroline. Otherwise, he's a
Whatever.
total badass hybrid.
Obviously.
Where's Stefan?
In this moment, I knew I should be.
What is she doing with Damon?
I have no idea.
What are we gonna do?
Right now, we just have to get through this. No, you'll do it when he brings the coffin. You really have given up, haven't you? Where's the fight? Where's the Ripper? Elijah.
Elijah is the gentlest man of gentlemen. I absolutely love
The
him.
Michelson family's hero, I guess.
What have you done? What have you done? See, I've learned not to trust you.
I think it's
I
one
love
of those
the way
episodes
he
when
talk.
all of them will come together.
doing this.
All the Klaus, the Michelson brothers and sisters.
Cold. Long time.
I wish they had given more screen time to Cole.
Yeah, and Finn too.
Fintone. Rebecca.
This is
What a way to see your sister after years.
You're free to go. This is family business.
The most problematic family
Yeah,
ever.
they had a
do you want?
Where's that anyway?
How unrealistic standards for high school boys.
You're in class.
Well, for starters, young Jeremy here could show some manners and invite me inside.
Oh.
Look at them being all big and tough boys.
Even though they're just 17 or 18.
And then Klaus comes in his home.
Loses one questionable father figure only to be replaced by the likes of the two of you.
Yeah, about that. Something happened.
Oh, I know all about my mother's invulnerable new creation. That's why I'm here. I'm leaving town. Just need to pick up a few road trip necessities. Spare tire.
I've tried it so many times, but I can't just get his accent.
Can't
So
help
Yes, British accents are like themselves so amazing, and just Klaus just makes them so much better. When
absolutely.
he say, when like he's about to kill a cat and say, "Oh love, how are you?"
Yeah, when he says to the
Thanks,
cat,
love.
hello,
Yeah.
love, like, amazing. Now he'll come into his form.
I mean, it's really amazing how he knows how powerful he is, and he used that, sarcasm and witty tone.
Even though he's the villain, I love him so much.
One of my favorites.
He's like the
Definitely.
Malfoy of Harry Potter.
Yes, I also love that.
Think you're probably gonna want to let me in.
So badass.
Now he'll start throwing the entire neighborhood at Alina's house.
Lena's car's gone.
Why wouldn't she tell anyone where she was going?
Miss me!
I don't think nobody could have come up with such a plan except Cloud.
This was such like adrenaline rush type of scene.
Clark. Put it out.
Go outside and make me. Lena's not here. Lark has her in Carolina. He's gonna kill them both unless you turn yourself over to him.
Balloon burst.
You guys for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to her channel. She always puts such creative, productive content, and just subscribe to her channel. Comment down what you thought about this video. What are your views on TVD?
And your favorite ships.
Damon and Alaric is still the best. Thank you.